Today we are making Turkish coffee chocolate mousse. It serves 6 people and is ready in about 3 hours, including chilling. Bold coffee meets silky chocolate for a luxurious dessert with a true Turkish touch. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 300 milliliters of water. We will use 50 milliliters to bloom the gelatin and 250 milliliters to brew the coffee. 20 grams of finely ground Turkish coffee. This gives the mousse its deep, authentic flavor. 40 grams of granulated sugar, to sweeten the coffee. 200 grams of dark chocolate, between 60 and 70% cocoa, for a rich base. 500 milliliters of heavy cream. We will heat 200 milliliters and whip the remaining 300 milliliters. 7 grams of powdered gelatin to set the mousse perfectly. 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, to round out the chocolate and coffee. 1 gram of fine salt to enhance the flavors. 1/4 cup of finely chopped almonds for a nutty bite. 1 teaspoon of rose water for a subtle floral finish. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Put 6 stainless steel Kulfi molds and wooden sticks into the freezer to chill. Warm 2 tablespoons of the reserved milk and soak 1/4 teaspoon of saffron threads for 10 minutes. In a small bowl, whisk 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of milk until completely smooth, then set it aside. In a heavy-bottomed stainless steel saucepan, bring the remaining 4 cups of milk to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring often. Keep the milk at a gentle simmer, stirring and scraping the sides and bottom, until it reduces to about 3/4 of its original volume. This takes about 20 minutes. Stir in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Keep it at a simmer for 5 minutes, stirring as it blends. While whisking, pour in the cornstarch slurry and cook for 3 minutes, just until the mixture thickens slightly. Turn off the heat. Add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and the saffron milk, then whisk until perfectly smooth. Stir in 1/3 cup of chopped pistachios, 1/4 cup of chopped almonds, and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix well, then let the mixture cool for 10 minutes. Pour the Kulfi mixture into a jug to make pouring into the molds easier. Pour the mixture into the chilled Kulfi molds, leaving a small gap at the top. Insert the wooden sticks and cover the molds. Freeze the molds until the Kulfi is completely firm, at least 8 hours or overnight. To unmold, rub the molds between your hands for 10 seconds, then dip them in warm water for 10 seconds. Gently pull the sticks to release the Kulfi. If it feels tight, dip the mold once more in warm water and try again. Serve the Pistachio Saffron Malai Kulfi on a plate, whole or sliced, and enjoy the rich Indian flavors. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our Pistachio Saffron Malai Kulfi, creamy and refreshing. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more recipes. See you next time.